Bismillah, we begin today. Hearts that gentle will find our way. With Allah's love we soar so high. In His light we'll touch the sky.
One hot afternoon, Sara and Haris were playing in their backyard. The sun was shining brightly, and the air felt warm and heavy. Suddenly, they noticed a small bird sitting under a tree, its beak open and wings drooping. Oh no, the bird looks so tired. I think it's thirsty, Sara replied. It must be hard for birds to find water when it's this hot. Haris looked up. What can we do to help it? Sara smiled. Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us to be kind to animals. Let's get some water for the bird. They ran inside and grabbed a small bowl. Sara filled it with cool water. The bird hopped closer, dipped its beak in the water, and began to drink. Look, it's feeling better. Sara nodded. When we help animals, we are doing something that pleases Allah. Even a small act of kindness can make a big difference. The bird drank its fill, chirped happily, and flew away. Sara and Haris watched it soar into the sky, feeling happy that they had helped one of Allah's creatures. Let's always remember to help animals. Yes, and I'll always keep a bowl of water outside, Haris promised. They smiled, knowing that even a little kindness brings blessings from Allah.